Mohit Suri's latest romantic drama, Sayyara, is taking the nation by storm. With two fresh faces, Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda, leading the charge, the film is breaking records and capturing hearts across the country. Audiences are packing theatres, cheering loudly, and spreading the word, and now, even Bollywood stars are joining the celebration. The latest to join the fan frenzy is none other than Shraddha Kapoor, the beloved actress from Suri's iconic 2013 film Aashiqui 2. Shraddha recently took to Instagram to share her excitement after watching Sayyara. Posting clips from inside a packed theatre, the actress captured the energy of the crowd, filled with hoots, claps, and cheers for the film. She wrote, "Sayyara se aashiki ho gayi hai mujhe." Tagging Ahan Pandey, Aneet Padda, and Mohit Suri, Shraddha made it clear just how much the film resonated with her. In another post, she praised the emotional depth of the film, writing, "Pure cinema, pure drama, pure magic. Oof, बहुत time बाद इतना emotion feel किया है." One moment in particular left a lasting impression on her, a powerful scene where Ahan's character sees Aneet's on-screen image and drops to his knees. Shraddha couldn't get enough of it, calling it her favorite part of the film. She shared, "I would gladly watch it 5 times just for that one scene." Having risen to fame through her emotionally charged role in Aashiqui 2, it's no surprise Shraddha connected so deeply with Sayyara. Once again, Mohit Suri delivers a compelling story, this time about Krish Kapoor, a passionate aspiring singer, and Vani Batra, an ambitious journalist, as they navigate love, ambition, and societal expectations. With praise pouring in from fans and celebs alike, Sayyara is clearly a must-watch. Have you watched Sayyara yet? Share your favorite scene in the comments below. Bollywood and cricket, India's two biggest passions, have often crossed paths. Some cricketers married Bollywood stars, and some love stories faded into rumors. But here's a lesser-known one. Was cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar ever linked to actress Shilpa Shirodkar? Yes, you heard that right. The rumors go back to the early 90s when Shilpa was filming the 1991 movie, Hum. In a past interview, Shilpa Shirodkar opened up about her alleged affair with Sachin Tendulkar. Shilpa said, "When I was doing Hum, I met Sachin for the first time because Sachin jahan pe rehte the mere cousin brother wahan par rehte the. Sachin and my cousin brother used to play cricket together in Bandra East. So, that's how I met Sachin. And Sachin was already seeing Anjali at that time, which was not told to anybody. We all knew because we were friends. Because an actor is meeting a cricketer and he was Sachin Tendulkar, it became easy for people to say, 'Ari and I met him once.' So, was it just a friendly meeting or something more?" Even Sachin Tendulkar was once asked about this alleged link-up. In an old interview, he revealed what he thought was the stupidest rumor he'd heard about himself. Sachin said that Shilpa Shirodkar and I were having an affair because we don't even know each other at all. That's a pretty clear denial. But still, the timing, the mutual background, and a few friendly meetings, was it enough to spark gossip? Sachin went on to marry Anjali Tendulkar in 1995. She's 6 years older than him, but the age gap didn't matter. Their love story began at the Mumbai airport and turned into a beautiful journey with 2 children, Sara and Arjun Tendulkar. As for Shilpa, she married UK-based banker Apresh Ranjit in 2000 and moved abroad. So, Did Sachin and Shilpa really date? The actors say no, but the rumors continue to spark curiosity. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. YouTuber and actor Ashish Chanchlani and Bollywood actress Ellie Avram recently found themselves caught up in a whirlwind of dating rumors, all thanks to a single Instagram post. The buzz began when the duo shared a cozy picture together, captioned simply, "Finally." Fans quickly assumed the post was their way of going public with a romantic relationship, and the internet exploded with speculation, congratulations, and confusion. However, during a joint Instagram live session, Ashish and Ellie set the record straight. Dating Ellie is out of the question, Ashish said with a laugh, adding that the thought had never seriously crossed his mind. He jokingly described Ellie as a challenging personality to collaborate with, a remark clearly made in a playful and affectionate tone. The two stars chuckled their way through the rumors, appreciating the audience's enthusiasm but clarifying the intent behind the post. The congratulatory messages were sweet, even if they were not accurate, Ellie remarked with a smile. So what did the caption, "Finally," actually mean? Ellie explained that it was simply a reference to the long-awaited release of their romantic music video, Chandaniya, and not a relationship announcement. It was not a prank, just a caption which got misunderstood by the audience, she said. Ashish admitted he had hoped to stir a little excitement online, but the reaction went far beyond what he expected. "That's when we knew we had to burst the bubble," he shared. The situation even reached Ashish's family. He revealed that his mother received congratulatory calls, and one friend even joked, "Don't send sweets," thinking a real-life romance was unfolding. To wrap up the live session on a humorous note, Ashish cheekily asked Ellie if she would ever consider dating him after all the chaos. Her response, a clear and quick "no," prompting laughter from both and viewers alike. In the end, the duo made it clear there's no love story here, just two friends celebrating a project close to their hearts. Chandaniya is out now and continues to gain popularity for its emotional storytelling and beautiful visuals. Have you watched it yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. A recent video of Bollywood star Akshay Kumar during his vacation in London has gone viral, creating a buzz across social media and sparking a heated debate. In the video, Akshay is seen getting upset at a fan who was recording him without permission. However, moments later, the actor is also seen smiling and posing for a selfie with the same individual, leaving fans divided over what really happened. Now, the fan has come forward with his side of the story, offering clarity on the situation. "I was standing at the signal on Oxford Street when I saw someone who I thought was Akshay Kumar. To verify, I decided to follow him. First, I took a video from behind. Then, when I tried to record from the front, he saw me, came closer, and directly snatched my phone. Maybe he was busy at the time. He pulled the phone from my hand and also grabbed my hand," said the fan in a video. According to him, the situation quickly de-escalated. Akshay returned the fan's phone and even engaged in a friendly conversation. He, Akshay Kumar, said, "Sorry beta, I'm busy right now, please don't disturb me and don't take my photo or video." I told him, "You could have said that politely. Now please give me my phone back." After that, Akshay Kumar returned my phone and asked me where I'm from and what I'm doing here. In the end, he even agreed to take a picture with me. There wasn't any major issue between us. He was actually a really nice guy. He looked like he was only 35 to 40 years old. The video of the encounter spread rapidly online. While some social media users defended Akshay, others criticized the fan for invading the actor's privacy and following him without consent. Many users highlighted the need to respect boundaries even when it comes to public figures. Meanwhile, a source close to the actor shared a different version of events, claiming the viral video was not entirely accurate in its sequence. The actor obliged the fan, who was a delivery boy, with a selfie, but he continued following him. The incident showcased a starstruck fan who followed Akshay Kumar despite being clicked with him. However, the order of the viral video is incorrect, the source said. While opinions remain split, the incident has once again raised an important conversation about the fine line between admiration and intrusion. What do you think? Did the fan cross the line? Or did Akshay overreact? Let us know in the comments. A deeply emotional moment from the final day of Saiyaara shoot has taken social media by storm, leaving fans and followers teary-eyed and touched. Director Mohit Suri, usually seen commanding the set with his signature intensity, was caught wiping away tears as the cast and crew wrapped up filming this heartfelt romantic musical. The raw, behind-the-scenes video shared by cinematographer Ashok Keer shows the powerful bonds formed during the making of this film, a journey filled with passion, dedication, and unforgettable memories. As the team clapped and cheered, Mohit embraced his crew members, visibly overwhelmed by the moment, a poignant reminder of how deeply this project had moved everyone involved. Actors Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda, dressed as bride and groom in traditional attire, shared a warm, emotional hug while watching their director's heartfelt reaction. They too joined in the applause, smiles mixed with tears, completely absorbed by the significance of the day. Also present was actor Rajesh Kumar, who plays Aneet's father, quietly smiling as he witnessed the emotional atmosphere that filled the set. Saiyaara narrates the story of Krish Kapoor, an aspiring singer played by Ahan, and Vani Batra, a budding songwriter portrayed by Aneet. Their journey of love, heartbreak, and sacrifice has struck a deep chord with audiences and the film's creators alike. Since its release, the film has earned widespread praise and commercial success, grossing an impressive 101.75 crore rupees in India and 17.25 crore rupees internationally within just 3 days. Bollywood celebrities have also been vocal in their admiration, applauding the film's powerful performances, gripping storyline, and soul-stirring music. Saiyaara is not just a box office hit but a film that has touched hearts across the nation. Sometimes, the most unforgettable stories are the ones that unfold off camera, where emotions run deepest and memories last longest.